PBS Manufacturing is a powerful, easy-to-use application designed to meet the needs of the smaller manufacturer. If your last company photo looks like this, we're probably not for you. If it looks a little bit more like this, then you should probably keep watching. PBS Manufacturing is designed for smaller companies where employees wear different hats depending on the needs of the day. Maybe they're in assembly in the morning, the warehouse in the afternoon, and even shipping in the evening. Unlike larger systems, PBS Manufacturing provides tools to take complex tasks and allow a single person to get them done quickly and easily so they can keep moving and stay productive. One of the biggest benefits that PBS Manufacturing provides for you is visibility. You'll be able to bring all of your key information together in a single system, which means that you're going to have access to it for reporting all in one place. That also means that we can use that information to easily provide you with the data that you need to make better business decisions. What kinds of decisions? Which materials need to be ordered and when? This is critical if you have any hope of shipping orders on time. Which vendors should you be ordering material from? Who's the least expensive and who can get it to me faster? Now, the answer may vary from one need to the next, but our vendor performance numbers can help you make the right decision each time. Which orders should you be working on and when should we be working on them? Keep production productive. Novel idea, right? No more best guess planning. Let's make sure that we're all working towards the common goal of on-time delivery. Which orders need to be shipping today? Again, we want to ensure that we're shipping orders when we promise our customers we're going to ship them so that they'll keep coming back. Here's a big one. How much did it really cost me to make that order? So many companies rely on their financial statements to figure out whether or not they're profitable. We have the ability to provide you with the information before you ever even ship an order. Know what your real costs are, and you'll be able to determine which product lines are making you money and which ones are costing you money. Small adjustments in prices or even product offerings can make a huge difference in your bottom line, but you can't fix what you don't know. So what are you waiting for? Stop getting by, start taking control of your operation. Visit our website today at www.pbsmfg.com and then give us a call so we can help you evaluate your needs and determine whether or not PBS Manufacturing can help you improve your operation.